We all know the whole concept of being vegan has been extremely popularized within the past few years. And with that being the case, there has been this stock called Beyond Meat that has also been just trending like crazy. Today, they actually announced a partnership with Pepsico, and I'm going to be explaining why I think that this is actually amazing and why I'll be looking into buying some shares. My name is Radies, and on this channel, we actually cover things about the stock market, investing, real estate, entrepreneurship, mindset, a bunch of amazing content. So if you're new around here, consider subscribing. And if you're from the Discord gang, what's up? I appreciate you. And if you're not, link down below. Make sure you join my free Discord chat. So let's talk about PepsiCo and Beyond Meat. If you guys don't already know PepsiCo, I mean, you've probably been living under a rock. Pepsi, you guys know the canned drinks, but they also have a plethora of brands that they actually own, such as Tropicana, Tostitos, Brisk, Lay's, Cheetos, Doritos, Cheetos, Doritos, Fritos, that's like a song, I don't know, that's catchy. Ruffles, like I said, Pepsi, Aquafina, and Mountain Dew, a bunch of other things, okay? And one thing to note is, when it comes to snacks and, I guess like junk food or unhealthy food, these guys, they pretty much are the industry leaders. They run this, okay? But Beyond Meat is pretty much a newer company, and although they do already have certain partnerships going on, Beyond Meat is, what they do is they make like vegan alternatives for meat. So again, Beyond Meat. So it's not actual real meat, but they make burgers, meatballs, sausages, I believe. And let me actually quickly tell you guys, Beyond Meat has already been partnering with such major companies. For example, Tim Hortons, A&W, Del Taco, as well as Subway and even KFC. And I've actually tried their burgers before, and I'm not gonna lie, it tastes pretty good. Would I eat it again? Probably not, but it is an option. So what is the crazy news today? Well, Beyond Meat has been making burgers and like actual meals and things that you would eat for like lunch or dinner. But now they're actually looking into making snacks, and they're actually going to be doing that in partnership with PepsiCo. Beyond Meat unfortunately could not provide additional details talking about what type of snacks or beverages are they going to be producing, but it is interesting to see that hey, they are going to be probably making like vegan snacks and like vegan drinks and whatnot. Because if you guys aren't aware, if you are vegan, you pretty much can't eat a lot of the snacks because they contain things that have animal products in them, like the big one being milk. The stock actually hit an all-time high today of $219 a share, and it's interesting to note that literally during the start of the year, the stock was trading for like 130 bucks. At the time I'm filming this, which was actually 130 on Tuesday, on the 26th of January, the stock's actually at $188. So again, in my opinion, I feel like the stock is definitely not overvalued, but definitely pumped up right now. I would personally wait to see if there is a dip. And again, Beyond Meat, you guys have heard me say it before, I love companies that actually come into a new industry and are industry leaders in that new industry. My big example is always Tesla. And with Beyond Meat, I can personally see myself buying shares, but at a much more attractive price. At 188, it just doesn't make sense to me. Another thing to note is this is more of a joint venture, and PepsiCo's global chief commercial officer, my bad, I can't speak English apparently, he also said, plant-based proteins represent an exciting growth opportunity for us, a new frontier in our efforts to build more sustainable food system. Obviously, another trend to notice is everyone wants this whole green economy, everyone wants to save the world, make the planet a better place. And with that being said, this whole partnership or joint venture opportunity really brings a lot of potential because again, if we're able, or if I guess Pepsi and Beyond Meat are able to make more, I guess, eco-friendly snacks, and again, with being vegan being a huge part of it, a lot of people, and again, with me included, if there's a vegan option and it definitely tastes a lot better and it's the same price and everything is the same, it's kind of a no-brainer for you to choose that vegan option. Another thing is there weren't any financial terms that were disclosed either, but again, if there is any other news coming up, I'll be sure to make a video on it as soon as I can. Like I said, in my opinion, I can see myself buying Beyond Meat, but again, the shares do need to come down a bit. At 188, it's just not too much of a steal for me. Remember, buy low and sell high. Another thing to note is this isn't investment advice, so please do your own research. The stock market is a place where you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money. Make sure you're investing for the long term, and again, if you have any other questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get to it as soon as I can. Another thing is, what do you think about Beyond Meat? Will you be buying, or do you think that this is just another company that is kind of like a fad? In my opinion, like I said, I don't think being vegan and the whole concept of veganism is just a fad. I think it's here to stay, and it's been kind of on an uptrend for the past few years. With that being said, my name is Radies. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.